How to turn on sleep mode. On Instagram. In this video, I will show you step by step how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram. First, launch the Instagram mobile application as demonstrated here. This is the main homepage of the app. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram account's profile section, just like you see here. On this page, there are several options that allow you to navigate different areas of the app. From the available options, make sure you tap on the hamburger icon. It's right here at the top. Doing so will take you to the Instagram settings and activity page, as shown here. On this page, there are multiple sections that offer access to additional features. Now scroll down slowly. Keep scrolling until you reach this part of the screen labeled How You Use Instagram. Under that heading, several options will be listed. From those options, go ahead and tap this one named Time Management. You'll now arrive at the Time Management settings. One of the settings found here is called Sleep Mode. As shown, this is the one we need. Tap on it. After that, this new page will appear. As you can see, the sleep mode is currently disabled. To activate it, simply tap on the toggle switch here. Once you do that, the sleep mode will be successfully turned on. The process is quick and straightforward. I hope this video has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to turn on sleep mode on Instagram.